Jingle bell rock. Welcome back. So today I'm going to talk about a gift that I got, from ULTA. And I have these little gift sets that they do every year, obviously, like Sephora and other brands out there, corporate brands. So this one is a big cosmetic bag. And I'm going to step away a little further. That's all of this, pretty much. So the top over here, you got all types of shadows. You have your mattes, you have your shimmers, you have your glitters, and you have your eyeliners. Okay. The next, following that, you have your brushes, your bronzers, your blushes, you have lip liners, and you have, I believe these are lip glosses as well. So that's that. We're gonna dive right into this. So I think I'm gonna go with kind of the neutral colors in here, and I'll mention in the description box below what is what. So let's begin. So I'm gonna prep my eyes first, as usual, with the Lancome concealer, or you guys could do an eyeshadow primer. It's really up to you. I like using this. I'm just gonna spread this all over. Pretty much I dab my fingers. I like using my fingers. You could use a brush, a concealer brush, like the one I have. Second, like this one, and kind of just spread it out. The first color I'm gonna use with matte dark brown. And I'm actually matte taupe and then matte dark brown. So I'm gonna grab that taupe color and I'm gonna put it right over here pretty high. And we're just gonna put it towards the end over here and just kind of blend it in. And we're gonna go back in and just kind of sweep that out a little bit. Blending is everything when you're doing a look, including your foundation. So now I have this double brush, which I haven't featured before, so I am going to show you guys. It's from Sephora. I forgot from one packet. I am going to try to find it and list it below. If I can't, just try to get any Sephora brushes pretty much. It's like a double brush like this, and I love it. It has no number or name. It just says Sephora, so sorry about that. We're going to cover the whole eyelid with this color is called, let me find it right now, Matte Rosewood. See that? And we're gonna place that right here. That's really nice, actually. Now some of these may not be as pigmented, so to get that pigmentation, you just gotta put like a little bit of setting spray. That's a pretty nice color. Now I'm gonna go in with the concealer and we're gonna give a little pop to the inner corner of the eye. I'm just gonna put a dab right there and just sweep up. Gold glitter top coat. And that's like on the bottom of the palette. I'll post a picture of it. I'm gonna grab that. I'm gonna put this color right there. And it's a pretty color actually. Dark brown. Give that a little tap. Just go back and just redo that color. You know what? I'm gonna play even more, and I'm gonna go in with the shimmer berry because this color looks bomb. Put that right in the middle. I'll fix it after. I'm gonna put that on the bottom lash. The color is really nice actually. It's more like a regular brown, but it really pops. Okay, I am back. So to finish this and sweep out everything else, I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. I'm just gonna give that a little sponge and sweep here and sweep there and sweep there, sweep here, and sweep there. I'm just gonna go ahead and with the concealer brush, I'm gonna kind of sweep this, make a straight line. I'm gonna do the same thing here, make a straight line. Basically what that does is just cleans up my mess. I'm gonna go in with the Beauty Blender and I'm gonna blend this out. And I'm just blending it downward. I'm not trying to bring this all the way out, so I'm just blending it downward. This side, so trying to keep it clean. So I'm gonna go in with the Emerald gel liner. I'm gonna pick that up with one of my Dior brushes, eyeliner brushes, and we're gonna put it right here. See how that, oh, that is really nice. I didn't expect that. And there you go. There's the liner. Look at that. How nice is that? Do you see? Pretty nice. Somehow the audio did not go through. Anyways, I'm curling my lashes right now at this very moment. So I actually don't have that much time to be putting the false lashes, so I'm just gonna do this. And as usual, I always use Joa Beauty as my brows, so I'm gonna go in and just color that. I know there was slight pigmentation from the green, so I'm just gonna go over that real quick. I'm gonna put a little bit. Yeah, how it gives you that high definition. Yeah, and that's it for this look. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Okay. I wish I would have had more time, but my time is often limited, so that's that. I'm just gonna put like a little bit of lip gloss from the same thing I always use, Chanel, and then tomorrow I'll probably do a mini tutorial of all of these liners and as well as the shimmers. Welcome back. So today I am finishing the rest up of this video. So last time I was talking about what I got and from Ulta Beauty. So you have your bronzers here, your blushes, your highlighters, your brushes here, you have lip liner, eyeliner, pencil, and you have your liquid lipsticks and your shiny as well. I don't think there's matte. There's 2 matte liquid lipsticks in here, so I'm gonna give them a swatch today. So I'm gonna come closer, bam, and we're gonna do some swatches. So I think the first color I'm gonna do is the lip liner that's nude, and it's like this. I'm gonna give it a little swatch there. You can see that. So that looks pretty. So why don't we give that a shot? I'm actually gonna prep my lips with that, with the chapstick. So you can see it's a little bit glowy, but that's okay. So we're gonna try this lip liner. So I'm just gonna swatch my mirror. Excuse the green. I just took off partially some of my makeup And I'm looking crazy right now. So we're going to start with the lip liner. I'm going to come closer so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. I'm going to go a little bit in the corner there and just slide it. And we're going to do the top now. Alright, so you kind of see it there. I hope you guys can see it. It's a pretty nude color. I like it. So we're going to stick with that. Now what we're going to do, I'm trying to find like a vanity table currently right now. And I'm having a hard time finding one that I like. So hopefully I find one soon. And so we're going to do the matte liquid lipstick. So that's like a coral pink color. I like it. This is more like actually a nude color. I don't know why I said coral pink. Like one dip, you know, one.
So this looks like yeah, this looks like a more summery color, I feel like. So this is pretty. This could go well pretty much with the summer and the spring. So I like that. I'm gonna swatch this out and we're gonna try the other ones.
This is the lip liner, Rose. And then we're gonna try it with this mattifying one. So here we go. So you know how like most liners they bleed? This one is not bleeding, so that's actually kind of nice. So we're gonna do the matte. Ooh, that's a pretty color. Again, more of like a summery color, but not that bad. I like it. So now we're gonna go with the next one. And this one, the lip liner is called Mauve. And with the little one right here. So, again, prep my lips because my lips are so dry. Kind of just do that with every lip liner out there. Alright, so now we're gonna go in with this one. Ooh, yeah, pretty like, I guess like in between purple and pink, kind of. Now, these come, I like this color. These come with like a shimmery lip gloss on the side. So I'll show you all three of them. So this one is the one I'm going to put now to go with this one. The other one goes more with like the coral color. And this one maybe with the nude color I would put. So that really goes that. We're going to go with the shimmery color. Again, it doesn't have a name, it just have a batch code. But I'm not going to read all of that. So let's put some lip gloss. Huh. I really have to go in there and take like product out.
But that looks pretty nice. So that's it for the lips. We do have blushes over here. So if I wanted to finish this look, obviously, I would just, you know, put some eyeshadow, maybe nude or coral pink or something like that. And then, you know, I already have foundation on. You could use these bronzers and these blushes in here. And I'm gonna go and use medium to dark matte bronzer. Let's see how this looks. So I'm going in with the brush that came in the package. And it's the blush brush, but I'm gonna use this as...
Ooh. Didn't expect that to come out like that dark. That's actually a good color. Alright, well now you guys know what you're working with. It's actually really nice. Just gotta like blend it out. You could do that with a beauty blender or with another brush that's more like for foundation or powder. That's pretty nice. And then I'm gonna go in with the shimmer mauve blush. So that's this one right here. And we're gonna give that a twirl. Ooh, girl, that is some color there. Look at that. That's actually really pretty. Alright. I think that's it. I mean, this is not my finished look, obviously. I actually have to get ready because some people are coming over tonight. So we can even add... Oh, yeah, I almost forgot. Hello. So there's these highlighters over here, the 3 on the bottom. So let me go with that rose highlighter. Same brush. I mean, you can clean this after, but you know what to work with. So that's the highlighter. It's actually not that bad. Look at that. You can even use that as like a blush, actually. Yeah. So that's it for this. I mean, obviously you have your eyeliners as well. Eyeliner pencil, so if I wanted to give this a try, let's just give this a try just for Pete's sake. Oh, look at that. That's a really nice charcoal gray color, actually. I don't know if you guys can see that. Whoops. I just like kind of ruined it a little bit. Whoops, guys. Whoops. But if I wanted to use that charcoal gray color, it's actually pretty pigmented. It's not bad. I don't know if you guys can see it. But yeah. So that's that. That's it. I'm gonna end this review with that. This is a cute gift. If you got this gift, like I did, don't, I know some people think, oh, well, Ulta Sephora beauty products aren't that good. No, they're good. You just gotta learn how to take out the most that you can from that product. Sometimes you have to go double in, triple in, and that's okay. There's nothing wrong with that. It's really if you prefer to put the time in, and some people don't like to. I don't mind. I mean, if they weren't that good, nobody would buy them, but clearly people buy them for gifts, for, reviews and things like that. And I like it. I pretty much don't have anything negative to say about this. So that's that. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. I'm sorry for looking like a mess, but I did wanted to swatch a little bit here and there so I could show you guys. And that's really it. I'm gonna clean up and get rid of some of the stuff. So have a good night.